Apple is finally reimagining how we use the iPad. After years of feedback about it feeling more like a large iPhone than a true productivity tool, things are taking a new direction with iPadOS 19. This isn't just another minor update, it's being described as the most significant change to the iPad software in a long time. At the heart of this shift is Apple's effort to bring the strengths of a desktop experience to the iPad. Instead of asking users to choose between a tablet or a computer, they're blending the best of both worlds. The goal? To fully unleash the power packed inside these devices, turning them into serious tools for work and creativity. This update goes far beyond a new look or a few app upgrades. If you've been waiting for the iPad to evolve into a true laptop alternative, or if you've wanted a smoother, more capable workflow, this could be the moment you've been hoping for. So, what's changing and why does it matter? One of the most anticipated improvements is the push toward real productivity. While iPads have always been equipped with top-tier processors from the A16 and A17 Pro to the powerful M-series chips, the limitation has been the software. Up until now, iPadOS felt more like a stretched version of iOS, optimized for touch but lacking the depth of a desktop platform. That's what Apple seems ready to change. The headline feature? Native desktop class applications. We're talking about full versions of professional software Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, Xcode, AutoCAD, Adobe Premiere running directly on the iPad. These aren't watered-down apps or mobile-friendly versions. They're powerful tools designed to work seamlessly with touch controls, the Apple Pencil, and keyboard trackpad setups. This isn't just for creative professionals. Developers, engineers, designers, anyone who needs high-performance tools on the go will be able to see the iPad as a serious workstation. And these apps aren't simply ports from Mac software with added touch controls. They're being built specifically with the iPad's unique workflows in mind. That means better file access, smarter integration with the system, intuitive interfaces, and efficient use of screen space. The vision is a smoother transition between your Apple devices. Working on a project on your Mac and picking it up on your iPad should feel effortless. With enhanced file syncing, universal control, and closer app parity, switching, devices may soon feel like staying on the same platform instead of hopping between different ones. Multitasking is also seeing a major overhaul. Previous features like split view and slide over were useful but limited. Managing multiple apps on an iPad often felt clunky, like you were working around the system rather than with it. That's about to change. iPadOS 19 introduces a new windowing system, letting you resize and move windows freely much like on a Mac. Imagine having 3 or 4 apps open at once, ranging them exactly how you want, and switching between them without needing to close or hide anything. It's a more flexible, desktop-like environment that adapts to your workflow. Additionally, users may be able to customize a true workspace, not just a home screen. Pinned windows, shortcuts to files, grouped apps all arranged in a way that fits your daily needs. It feels familiar to Mac users, but reimagined for touch. For students, it could mean having research, notes, a textbook, and a calendar open side by side. For creatives, it enables editing while keeping communication and resources accessible. For business users, it's a more organized, multitasking-friendly setup. Stage Manager is also getting a big refresh. While the original idea grouping apps into sets sounded promising, in practice it was buggy and awkward. The new version aims to deliver smoother animations, more stable memory use, and smarter app organization. Windows will snap into place more predictably, and the system may even learn your typical app groupings to automatically organize them for you. Another major improvement is support for external displays. Docking your iPad to a monitor will now offer a true second screen experience, with smoother transitions, drag and drop window movement between screens, and better overall display management. But perhaps the most transformative addition is what's being called desktop mode. When you connect a keyboard and trackpad, the iPad interface shifts to resemble a Mac more closely with a larger dock, adaptable menu bar, right-click options, and enhanced mouse support. Yet it still keeps touch interactions at its core. This hybrid approach offers the best of both worlds, the familiarity and power of a desktop when you're docked, and the flexibility of a tablet when you're not. Picture editing a video using keyboard shortcuts at your desk, then moving to the couch to finish touches with your Apple Pencil, all without losing functionality or control. Ultimately, iPadOS 19 marks a shift in how Apple positions the iPad. No longer stuck between being a tablet and a laptop, it's stepping into its own category, powerful, adaptable, and uncompromising. Whether you're a student, creative, professional, or casual user, this update could finally make the iPad the all-in-one device many have been waiting for. Will this be the update that turns the iPad into your primary device for both work and play? Let's see what the future holds. Thanks for tuning in.